Hello, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Namaste, dosto. I hope you all are doing well. Since so long, I wanted to visit Lepakshi, but somehow ये हो नहीं पा रहा था. लास्ट टाइम जब हम गंदीकोटा गए थे तो वी थॉट कि हम लेपाक्षी विजिट कर ही लेंगे, बट द टाइम नहीं था तो हो नहीं पाया. बट दिस टाइम आई थॉट कि व्हाई नॉट आई स्टार्ट माई 2021 बाय विजिटिंग लेपाक्षी. तो फाइनली इस बार हो पाया, और इस बार हम बाइक में नहीं, हम कार में गए थे, क्योंकि इस बार ये फैमिली ट्रिप थी. The roads toward the Lepakshi was, I must tell you, is really beautiful. आपको अगर रोड ट्रिप अच्छी लगती है तो you are definitely going to enjoy it. इस ट्रिप में बेसिकली मैंने दो प्रॉब्लम फेस की. पहली प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि उसको प्रॉब्लम नहीं कह सकते, बट या वो टाइम ऐसा था क्योंकि वो वीकेंड था तो क्राउड बहुत था. तो इफ यू सी इन एंड आउट इन माय वीडियो यू विल सी लॉट ऑफ क्राउड. समहाउ मैंने कोशिश की कि जो मैं कैप्चर्स ले सकूं वो थोड़े से क्राउड से हट के ले सकूं, बट अवॉइड नहीं कर पाई. तो थोड़ा यू विल सी लिटिल क्राउड इन एंड आउट ऑन माय वीडियोस. सेकंड थिंग जो प्रॉब्लम मुझे हुआ था वो ये था कि मेरी गोप्रो की बैटरी जो थी वो ड्रेन आउट हो गई थी, और मैं एडिशनल बैटरी लेके नहीं गई थी. तो कुछ कैप्चर्स जो मैं चाहती थी मैं लूँ वो मैं समहाउ नहीं ले पाई. बट लिमिटेड कैप्चर्स में मैंने कोशिश की कि मैं ये वीडियो बना सकूं. आई होप यू विल लाइक इट. और इन केस इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू लेपाक्षी, जितना हो सकेगा मैं आपको उस क्वेश्चन का जवाब दे पाऊंगी. यू कैन राइट मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड आई विल रिप्लाई टू यू एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. तो चलिए अभी आपको लेपाक्षी ले चलते हैं.
Lepakshi. Lepakshi is a quaint village located in Anantapur district. It is a place of culture, religion, and archaeological significance. Lepakshi has a significant place in epic Ramayana. It says this was the place where Bird Jatayu fell, wounded after battle against Ravana, who had abducted Sita while going to Lanka. When Sri Rama reached the spot, he saw the dying Jatayu and said compassionately, "Le Pakshi," which means rise, O bird. Hence the place is named as Lepakshi. The distance between Hyderabad to Lepakshi is around 480 kilometers. It usually takes a day to reach here. The main attraction here is the Lord Veerbhadra temple, which is constructed on turtle-shaped hill, also referred as Kurmashila. At the entrance of Lepakshi, we can see a huge monolithic Nandi positioned such that it faces Nagalinga located at Veerbhadra temple. This is Lord Veerbhadra's temple. This temple is dedicated to Lord Veerbhadra, the fiery god Lord Shiva. Here we can clearly see the Vijayanagara style of the architecture, depicting enriched culture and ancient engineering marvel. Various deities of god and goddesses have been carved out on the walls and the pillars of the temple. It is truly a splendid creation. As we walked in towards the right, we witnessed huge Shivalinga, which is hooded under seven-headed serpent with three coils. This is considered as the largest Nagalinga in the country. There is a very famous legend behind this construction. When sculptor came for a lunch, mother of the sculptor told that it's going to take some time to prepare the lunch. Meanwhile, she was preparing lunch, the dedicated sculptor built this beautiful sculpture. After preparing lunch, when mother came out, she was shocked seeing this beautiful sculpture built by her son in a very less time span. "5 feet tall Lord Ganesha is carved next to Shivalinga. Devotees take a bow here first before they proceed to main temple." Murals can be found in ceiling of temple, showcasing marriage of Lord Shiva and Sati, boar hunting, and various scenes of Ramayana and Mahabharata. Just in front of Veerbhadra temple, we can see a Natya Mandapa, which is surrounded by beautiful carved pillar of god and goddesses. One of the main attraction at Lepakshi is 8 feet height hanging pillar. It is also called as the Antrik Sthamb. This incomplete structure is called as the Kalyan Mandapa. It is said that if this mandapa had been completed, Lord Shiva and Ma Sati marriage would have been happened here. Its construction was started when king was on a trip. When he came back, he was very furious with the accountant having spent the kingdom money without his knowledge. He immediately stopped the construction and hence it remains incomplete. During Mahashivratri, many devotees come to Lepakshi to take blessing of Lord Shiva and perform puja. Trip for us to Lepakshi was an experience of its own kind. This is a place for people who like heritage site or for the spiritual purpose. This place will definitely mesmerize you with its beauty, art, culture and architecture. I hope you have enjoyed the video and find it useful. Do give a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe for future videos.